Hello guys, welcome to our channel. Today I am going to show you how to lock iPhone photo album. Okay, so let's get started. Then first of all, click on iPhone gallery or photos. Okay, then show your all album or image or photos. Okay, then back, just tap on photos and press okay, and click on require face ID. Just click and require face ID, then done, and check, click on photos and face ID required to open photos. Okay, try, then done to lock iPhone photo album. That's all. Thanks for watching. Please like, comments and subscribe. Thank you.